How to lock hidden photos on iPhone 14. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can lock hidden photos on your iPhone 14. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to lock your hidden photos on your iPhone 14, it's actually very simple to do so, because all you have to do is, let's say there are some photos that you want to hide, right? So let me select a couple of photos that I might maybe just want to hide over here. So I'll just select these 3 photos here. I'll tap the 3 dots option from the bottom right. Here I will find this hide button, as you can find here. Once I tap on hide, I'll just tap on the hide photos option, and these photos are going to get hidden. If you want to access these hidden photos, you can come to the albums tab, scroll down. Now you don't have to lock your hidden photos because they are already going to get locked by default. As you can see inside hidden section, this is already locked, which means that if you have to enable it, you have to simply enter your Face ID and only you'll be able to view your hidden albums. So it is all going to get automatically locked by default. But one thing I can suggest you is that once you hide a photo, it will show this hidden section, right? But did you actually know that you can also remove this hidden section from here? Which means that I have to open settings, let me show you, and then just look for the Photos app here and then tap on it. And then here you can see show hidden album. You can turn off this, and the hidden section is not going to show up under the utilities tab. If you want to find those hidden photos, first of all you have to come to settings, enable this hidden album option first, and only after you enable this hidden album option will you then be able to come to utilities, select hidden, and then simply enter your Face ID and then access those. So hopefully this video answered your question as to how you can lock your hidden photos on iPhone 14. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.